Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this device OS or software is not compatible with Pokemon Go app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you can't install your Pokemon Go app or you can't play games because all of a sudden you're told your device or software is not compatible, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this issue. First, if you are experiencing this, then most likely it means your Pokemon Go game app was updated to the latest version and the latest version is not compatible with your phone or your operating system. Now to fix this, go to settings on your phone. So for this, I'm on Android smartphone. So from settings, just search here, update. So for this, we need to check for any software update on our smartphone. And from this, we have quite a number of options. Look for automatic system updates. So we need to know if we have any software update on your system. So go to automatic system updates, and as you can see for my case here, automatic system update is off, so I'll need to turn it on. In case your phone displays any update that is just available, then proceed or go ahead and just update your phone straight away. However, if you don't have, then restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, it will automatically update the software to the latest version. Once you are done, now go to your Pokemon and see if it works, or if you had not installed it, you can now download and this will have fixed your problem. But should you still experience the same issue, then it means that your phone's operating system cannot support the latest version of Pokemon Go app. For that, you may want to change your phone by upgrading your phone. So that's how you can fix any software issue or operating system issue not being compatible with Pokemon Go game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.